हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आवर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज काम में लगन होनी चाहिए। मस्ट बी डिसाइडेड टू वर्क। मस्ट बी डिसाइडेड टू वर्क। हमें कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। बी शुड नेवर गिव अप। बी शुड नेवर गिव अप। कुछ नहीं से कुछ अच्छा होता है। समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग। समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग। यदि कुछ नहीं मिला तो तजुर्बा मिलेगा। If you don't get anything, you will get experience. If you don't get anything, you will get experience. हमें हमेशा बड़ा सोचना चाहिए। We should think big. We should think big. काम को टालना नहीं चाहिए। Work should not be postponed. Work should not be postponed. आज में जियो। Live in today. Live in today. आपके पास केवल आज तक का समय है। You have only one day. You have only one day. कल किसी का नहीं आता। Tomorrow doesn't come for anyone. Tomorrow doesn't come for anyone. इसलिए कल का मत सोचो। So don't think about tomorrow. So don't think about tomorrow. आज को बेहतर बनाओ। Make better of today. Make better of today. आज ही करना है सब कुछ। You should do everything today. You should do everything today. आज से शुरू करो। Start from today. Start from today. गलतियां होंगी तो फिर से शुरू करो। Mistakes will be made, then restart again. Mistakes will be made, then restart again. काम को करके सीखो। Learn to do work. Learn to do work. ऐसे हार मत मानो। Don't be defeat like that. Don't be defeat like that. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहो। Always be learning something. Always be learning something. नीचे जाओ। Go down. Go down. यह कोई मामला नहीं है। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. फूल तोड़ना मना है। Plucking flowers is prohibited. Plucking flowers is prohibited. हम एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं। We both like each other. We both like each other. तुम्हारा फोन नंबर क्या है? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? टेबल पर पुस्तकों का समूह है। A set of books is on the table. A set of books is on the table. ईश्वर तुम्हें आशीर्वाद देगा। May God bless you. May God bless you. यह सही नहीं है। That is not fair. That is not fair. मैं तुमसे नफरत करता हूँ। I hate you. I hate you. यह अच्छे के लिए है। It's for the best. It's for the best. मैंने उससे बात की। I talked with him. I talked with him. तुम्हारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर क्या है? What is your contact number? What is your contact number? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? क्या तुम वहां हो? Are you there? Are you there? अच्छी राइटिंग से लिखो. Write with an improved hand. Write with an improved hand. तुम क्या लेना पसंद करोगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? भूल जाओ इसे. Forget it. Forget it. तुम्हारे साथ कौन कोऑपरेट करेगा? Who will cooperate with you? Who will cooperate with you? तुमसे की हुई बातें अच्छी थी. It was nice to talk with you. It was nice to talk with you. कृपया क्या तुम इसे दोबारा बोल सकते हो? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? जितना जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. तुम पेटू हो. You are a glutton. You are a glutton. तुम कब पहुंचोगे? When will you reach? When will you reach? मुझे वापस फोन करो. Call me back. Call me back. शर्तें निश्चित थी. The terms were finalist. The terms were finalist. अपनी लिखावट सुधारो. Improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What's your name? What's your name? फिर मिलेंगे. See you. See you. मामला साफ है. The matter is clear. The matter is clear. मैं तुम्हारी प्रशंसा करता हूँ. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? शांत रहो. Be calm. Be calm. यह कितना अधिक है? How much is that? How much is that? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप समझ गए. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ पैसे हैं? Do you have some money? Do you have some money? तुम्हारी घड़ी में क्या समय है? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? मैं तुम्हारी अच्छी मैरिड लाइफ की आशा करता हूँ. I wish a happy married life. I wish a happy married life. क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? मैं झूठ बोलना नहीं जानता हूँ. I don't know telling a lie. I don't know telling a lie. आपने कब शुरू किया? When did you start? When did you start? आपने अब तक क्या प्राप्त किया? What did you achieve yet now? What did you achieve yet now? अब आपने क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave now? Why did you leave now? क्या दिक्कत है? What's the problem? What's the problem? ऐसे उदास क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you sad, Jink? Why are you sad, Jink? काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Why are you not doing work? Why are you not doing work? रात में ज्यादा मत सोया करो. You don't have to sleep a lot in the night. You don't have to sleep a lot in the night. काम में ध्यान लगाओ. Give your attention in work. Give your attention in work. लोगों को सोचने दो. Do think of pupils. Do think of pupils. लोगों को कहने दो. Do say to pupil. Do say to pupil. वो तुम्हारी जरूरत पूरी नहीं कर सकते. They do not complete your essentials. They do not complete your essentials. उनका काम है तुम्हें गिराना. The work of them has to down you. The work of them has to down you. लेकिन तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना है. But you have to go ahead. But you have to go ahead. दुनिया की मत सुनो. Don't listen to people. Don't listen to people. अपने मन की आवाज सुनो. Hear to your heart. Hear to your heart. एक बार कामयाब बन जाओ बस. Become successful once. Become successful once. मंजिल मेहनत से ही मिलती है. The goal achieves from work. The goal achieves from work. सफलता किस्मत से नहीं मिलती. But success not achieves from fortune. But success not achieves from fortune. किस्मत से मौके मिलते हैं. The chance meets from fortune. The chance meets from fortune. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करिए और इसी प्रकार की वीडियोज के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.